Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Viber Messenger video call problems on Android, so let's jump right in. First, open your device settings. This is where all the core configurations for your apps and system features are managed, so it's essential for troubleshooting any app-related issues. Once you're in Settings, tap on Apps. This section gives you access to all the applications installed on your device, allowing you to manage their permissions and data usage individually. Now tap See All Apps to view the complete list of applications on your phone. This ensures you can locate Viber among all your installed apps without missing it. Then find Viber in the list and tap on it. This opens up all the specific settings and permissions related to the Viber app, which is crucial for resolving video call issues. Next, tap on Permissions. This is where you control what Viber can access on your device, and for video calls to work properly, you need to ensure certain permissions are enabled. Now tap on Camera and make sure to select Allow Only while using the app. This permission is critical because Viber needs access to your camera to enable video during calls. Without this, the other person won't be able to see you during a video call. Then go back and tap on Microphone, then select Allow Only while using the app. Just like the camera, Viber needs microphone access so the other person can hear you during calls. These two permissions are fundamental for any video calling feature to function correctly. Now go back and tap on Mobile Data Usage. This section controls how Viber uses your mobile data in the background and during active use, which can significantly impact call quality and connectivity. Here, tap the toggle button for background data and unrestricted mobile data usage to turn both of them on. Enabling these options ensures Viber can maintain a stable connection even when the app is running in the background, preventing calls from dropping unexpectedly. Then go back to the main settings page. We're going to adjust some network settings now, which can often resolve connectivity issues that affect video calls. Tap on Network and Internet. This is where all your connectivity settings are located, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and SIM card configurations. Then tap on SIMs to access the settings for your SIM cards. If you have dual SIM functionality, you'll see both listed here. Now tap on the SIM you're currently using for data and calls. This ensures you're adjusting the correct network settings for the SIM that Viber uses. Then tap on Access Point Names. These settings control how your device connects to your mobile network, and sometimes outdated or incorrect APN settings can cause video call issues. On the upper right corner, tap the three dots to open the menu, then tap Reset to Default. This will restore your APN settings to the original configuration provided by your carrier, which often resolves connectivity problems. And that's it. You've successfully configured all the necessary permissions and network settings to fix Viber video call problems on your Android device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.